Hey everybody, it's KINGCAMRY. Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope all of you are doing very well. So today we have something fun going on. Today I'm going to be turning my dirty, old looking rubber mats from Toyota, giving them this very clean and brand new look to them. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I use to give it that look, and hopefully you find this video helpful. I also want to let you guys know this video is going to be added to an existing playlist that I have. I think with this one, it's my second video, but there's going to be a long list of videos for anybody interested in one specific thing on how to protect and clean their car. So make sure you guys check that out if you guys are interested. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this with my OEM Toyota mats. I haven't upgraded yet, but maybe in the future. So if you guys have rubber mats and want to try this, go ahead. If you guys have other cars that want to try this also, this would probably also work as well. Now I'm going to be voice overing what I exactly did because I found that more easier. So let's get started. Alright everybody, as you guys could see by this video clip, my mat is very dirty. This is where I normally drive. There's a face mask on the ground. This is my passenger side. Very dirty. You know, you can see all the crumbs in the carpet right there. Unfortunately, I haven't had time to clean this, but we're going to be transforming this and giving it a very, very nice and clean look. So the first thing you're going to want to do is we're going to go ahead and start removing our mats. We're going to use this method I like to call the taco method. And that is how I remove my rubber mats. All I do is I fold them just to prevent, any crumbs falling into my carpet and just creating more of a mess and just giving me more time to vacuum. And that's something I do to avoid all of that time. The taco method. So when you guys are doing this, make sure you guys use the taco method where you roll up like how you make a taco and basically just pull it outside of your car, preventing it, to get onto your carpet and making more of a mess. And if you care about the world and you care about the front of your house or wherever you're cleaning your car, you're going to go ahead and throw this into the trash. I would hope you would do that. So for the sake of the video, and I don't want to really make it a long video, I'm not going to be showing how I vacuum my car. I hope all of you guys do know how to vacuum. I hope so. So right here I have my rubber mats. They have all that mess that was on them thrown into the trash. There is a very, very huge amount of dust onto them and dirt and just all this grime since I haven't cleaned them in a while. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cleaning two. I'm going to be showing you guys a comparison of how the difference is of what I use and how you guys can use it if you guys are interested. So these are the products I use. I use Super Clean degreaser and also Chemical Guys matte renewal, and also it protects. It has a protectant in it. Now you can pick this one up. This is a little less for a good amount of price for $6, close to $6. Or you could get this big bucket and only spend $9. I think in this bottle you get two more of that small bottle, so you would be really saving money. And I use these, and this is what I use after the Chemical Guys Floor Renewal for $9. It's a cleaner and protectant. This is what I use after I degrease my mats. And I also use this little scrub. I need to upgrade soon. This one, I think I got it at Walmart also. It had like a handle, and I guess I'm just going to be using it with the grip. So we're going to be using water to clean our mats. We're going to go ahead and spray it down. Make sure you guys get a good spray in. You guys could go ahead and use whatever you have, but just make sure the water does get in there. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to start grabbing our cleaner degreaser and spray that on. This is a very, very good product. If it could be dirt, it could be anything, and it does a very great job to remove anything from your floor mats. We're going to go ahead and start scrubbing, giving it a very, light scrub. We're not trying to, mess up the mats. And on to the next one. The same thing. Right now, my mats are already scrubbed and they have that degreaser on them. We're going to go ahead and just start spraying them with water, getting all of that, dirt off of them. It's going to be very fun. You guys could see, all that dirt is popping out, and just lift it up a little bit to get it all out. And that's mostly about it. It's a lot of dirt that does come off them if you're somebody that uses your car as a daily. So right here we're going to go ahead and use the chemical, guys. But before that, we want to make sure we want to spray off all that degreaser off this scrubber, because we don't want to get any of that dirt and degreaser onto our existing rubber mats with that chemical, guys, products. We don't want to cross over those products. And now we can go ahead and start applying the chemical, guys, spray. For this one doesn't have a lot of sud action, so please make sure you guys use a decent amount just for it to really get in there. And just like before, we're going to go ahead and scrub it. So this is the spot where I always put my mats to dry. It's high, it's not on the ground, stuff doesn't get onto them, and the sun does its job. Don't leave it too long, because the sun will mess it up if you do go past a certain time. So we're almost there to being done to cleaning our mats. Left side is cleaned and the right side is the dirty mats. There is a huge difference, as many of you could see. These products is what I've been using for the past 3 years, and it's been working for me, and that's why I haven't changed it. You know, by the time you finish cleaning these, you're gonna have to ask people to take off their shoes before going inside your car. Okay, so now let's finish off the remaining 2 mats that we haven't cleaned yet. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna repeat the same process. We're gonna use the degreaser first, and then we're gonna be using the chemical, guys, spray. Now for the degreaser, there's a lot of sud action, there's a lot of bubbles, so you don't have to spray that much. But you can use as much as you want to. There is no limit to this. Alright, so we are complete. We're gonna go ahead and put these to dry and now install them back onto the car. They are looking very, very good. There is a huge difference. These things are very, very clean and have this brand new look to them. It is very easy to get this done, and I hope you guys found this helpful. Right now I'm going to be showing you guys a few cinematics. I hope you guys really did find this helpful, because this has been working for me for a long time. Hey everyone, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you guys like. If you guys want to know what this is, make sure you guys subscribe. Peace.